Blah, blah, blah. I haven't combed my hair in weeks. I like to wear good hats. I have a couple pigs. Their name is Fred and Alfred. I like to eat the pig innards. Yeah, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Not really.
How did you get that all in your mouth?
Hey,
Put that on as...
girl, look at my overalls. Girl, look at my overalls. It's still in my mouth.
Keep going.
It's still in my mouth. It's still in my mouth. It's still in my mouth. Girl, look at my spit. Girl, look at my spit. Girl, look at my spit. I'm country. I'm country, and I know what. Take my pig.
Here's a pig.
Seriously, that's still in my mouth.
You guys, I saw a video, and he was a Star Wars dude, and he was like, this in a parking lot with music playing.
I wear overalls and I know it.
But it was funny.
I wear overalls and I know it.
I have a butt and I know it. A butt and I know it. La la la. La la la.
And pick up that phone. Hey Alexis, you should go pick up that phone.